comrades and friends, with all the strain and joy of those who struggle daily for the world, for progress, we start the 18th Assembly of FUFTI with a discussion and analysis that will certainly strengthen the anti-imperialist struggle and the struggles in our countries.
I don't want it to, I don't need it to come someone else.
This is Naziha Saeed. I'm from Al-Shabiba, from Bahrain. We are attending this assembly of WFD, the 18th, to participate with the other youth and to show them the Bahraini case and to have their solidarity with our struggle against the imperialism and against the dictatorship in our country.
Send it over to your faith and hell.
I'm Santosh Kumar from India, General Secretary of All India Youth Federation. And we do believe that internationalism has a lot of things to do. That is why we are here. And once again, I would like to congratulate the organizers of this event.
My name is Lefteris Nikolaou and I'm representing the Communist Youth of Greece, CNE. The 18th Assembly of WFD, held here in Lisbon, Portugal, is celebrated in a very difficult and very important time on the world conjuncture. We're talking about the capitalist crisis that we are living all these previous 4 years, and of course the response and the need for the response of the youth and the anti-imperialist movement towards that crisis.
Bueno, soy Carol Cariola, secretaria general de las Juventudes Comunistas de Chile. Nosotros estamos en una lucha hace ya más de 7 meses, los estudiantes chilenos, ¿cierto?, buscando democratizar espacios de nuestro sistema. Hoy día hemos levantado una lucha concreta en contra del modelo neoliberal, en búsqueda, ¿cierto?, de una educación de calidad, gratuita, para todos, justa, igualitaria, que no segregue a los estudiantes más pobres, que es la realidad que hoy día vivimos.
Me llamo Omar Asenna, vengo en representación de la OJ Sario, la Juventud Saharaui. Bueno, hoy nos encontramos en esta asamblea analizando el trabajo de estos 4 años que han pasado y proponiendo con propuestas nuevas, con nuevos objetivos, cómo vamos a trabajar, cómo vamos a enfrentar estos 4 años que vienen.
The struggle against imperialism and your organizations can always count with the struggle of Portuguese youth and the solidarity of the young Portuguese communists. Let me finish by wishing you one more time a very nice stay in Portugal and all the success to your struggle and to your organization.
Gostaria de vos dirigir uma pequena saudação. Uma saudação pequena que não corresponde ao tamanho da nossa solidariedade, da nossa fraternidade com aquilo que representais, com os povos desses países. Dizer que este Partido Comunista Português continua muito solidário, muito fraterno, convosco, com a vossa luta, com a luta do vosso povo.